What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Learn Plan Profit. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Let me go ahead and I actually have to move this on over real quick. Hope you guys are all having an amazing start to your guys this morning. It looks like we have a lot of active uptrending stocks today. I was able to take a position during pre-market hours. I'm going to show you guys just that. Sorry for the delayed upload. I just closed one of my positions. I'm going to have, whoa, why is it so big? There we go. I think we should be good there. But I talked about 3 stocks last time. If you guys were able to check out that video, so I hope you guys are all having a great morning. I know that video that I uploaded was very delayed or very late, right? Right now we're experiencing a pullback on ticker symbol EGAN. We're experiencing a pullback with ticker symbol DNR after it pushed up, and then when it comes down to the ticker ARQL, it's experiencing a pullback to right around that EMA line. During pre-market hours, I was able to get filled on my position as it started peaking out and showing signs of a resistance at 565. It was 564 to 565. I ended up locking in my profits. I'm up a little bit over $648 on the day. Trying to see if we can actually get a bounce or a break below this EMA line. So I'm going to give it a little bit more time for consolidation to give me a better understanding of which way it's going to be going. I want to give a shout out to all those that were able to properly take a position on ticker symbol GUSH. GUSH showing of signs of an ongoing uptrend. If we look at that 180-day analysis, again, we're getting that resistance right below $40. Just a friendly reminder, we have not broken above $40. This is still a valid resistance. And when it comes down to the general understanding of low points and high points, yes, I understand that it's pushing up, but it's still struggling to break above $40. And that's why I'm still so hesitant to take a position. I want to invest in it as bad as every single one of you do. But again, we want to make sure that we stay consistent in locking in profits and that we don't overtrade, right? So if you guys want to trade something, great. But just please make sure that you guys understand that as of right now, it's still struggling to, make higher highs, right? So DNR just broke below the 65, so there we go. Are we going to get a bounce? So right now, as a day trade, are we going to get a bounce on this middle VWAP, or are we going to, see this thing continue to bleed? There's no indication of a bounce just yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert here to see if we can see higher highs. The MACD indicator is still curving down. The RSI is still pushing down, so we're going to give it a little bit more time on that. I'm going to give this a little bit more time, so I'm going to put an alert for the break above this and this overall reversal. Ooh, love that. Super happy to hear that. That's so cool. Wow, okay, so GUSH. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get a reversal. Margin is not so big. It's about 1% on that. Looks like we might be getting a little bounce on AGAN. There we go. Nice little pullback on ARQL. Can I take another position for a better entry? So let's see if we can get in at around the SMA indicator. Right now it's not trading in between that middle VWAP or top VWAP, and looking at previous patterns, that would definitely be something that I would find very attractive if we can continue that pattern of trading in between the middle and top VWAP. Definitely don't want to catch it when it's a little bit more on the overextended side. So let's look at the different time frames and see if we could identify any resistance. Okay, so on the 20-day 1 hour, perfect example. Never go broke by locking in profits. Guillermo, my guy. So I'm going to set my alert here. I'm going to set my alert. Looks like it's still really struggling to break above that 575 price point. The reason that I like ARQL as of right now for day trades. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go in with a, no, okay. So it's showing signs of a potential reversal, so it just made lows. Let's see if we could make higher highs. Is because it's such a low cap stock that it's like very easy to make a certain percentage growth, but it's just as easy to lose that amount, right? And we want to make sure that I don't give back, my profits. So that's definitely something that I find to be very important. There we go. AGAN also finding support, and there we go. GUSH did that nice little bounce off that middle VWAP. It's already covered almost about 1%, so super happy to see that. Are we going to get a bounce with DNR? Again, all these stocks that we're talking about, that I'm talking about, are ones that I saw value in this ascending uptrend pattern. So Let's go ahead and see if we can actually get a bounce here. Nope, full on rejection there, so that's good. Alright, looks like it's trying to reverse back up. Again, still struggling to break around 575. We just broke above that middle VWAP. Can we get that consolidation? So JNUG is at around a 1.27% potential for profit. 180-day analysis, it's still really struggling. It's been getting rejected by this EMA line this entire time. So I already have an alert set there. 1 day, 1 minute. Yeah, it's really struggling. So I have my alert set there. We'll have to see and follow up with it. Okay, Google, play NCS.
Okay, playing NCS on Spotify.
Let's see if we could. Okay, Google, volume 1. All right. Meant to type. Oh. Wow. It's covered a really nice margin. Looks very overextended, so it's up about 2.83%. I would wait a little bit more for a pullback. Looks like it's reacted very well to that middle VWAP. So I'm going to first put an alert here. You just have to ask yourself, like, how much more margin does it have to push up, right? So I'm going to put an alert there and then an alert here. So I also don't want to become so focused on so many different tickers because it could become very distracting when trying to identify what to invest in. So let's see if we can find a decent one.